How you doing, YouTube? Wanted to do a build video, kind of a budget quality basher. You could use the same principles to get yourself built up a racer. I enjoy buggies for bashing probably the most. Truggies are good, but there's just something about the buggies, nimble, quick. Now you don't have to break the bank. There's plenty of places to get quality used parts. Just do your homework. If you remember from past video, the Roma 25 Novarossi motor, we got that for $95 on eBay. Just got a couple tanks in it, so we'll have to run that through a full break-in. Now this buggy here, Facebook, one of the groups, the Mugen buy sell trade group, this buggy came up and messaged the seller. Ended up getting it shipped to my house at $165. Now that's the buggy, the two bodies, the wing back there, in a box full of parts, which I'll show you in a second. Buggy itself is in excellent condition. Had him send me pictures of all the out drives, make sure it wasn't wore out. If we look on the bottom, chassis got a little wore, but with this one, got a second chassis. This chassis is like new. Plastics are all in good shape. So for $165, it's a hell of a deal. Then on eBay, got a novarossi 991 pipe, $25 shipped. So we're off to a great start, having the platform, the motor, and the pipe without breaking the bank. Now when you're searching for a platform to do a build on, you want to make sure the drivetrain's not wore out. I bought used ones before, and when I get it, the diff cups, the drive shafts are bent. It's just wore out. As you can see with this one, the drive shafts are all straight. The diff cups aren't wore out. It's in overall great condition. But to top it off, got the chassis. If we look in our box of goodies that came with it, different rate springs, motor mount, brakes, all kinds of extras, arms, all kinds of new arms, diffs, 2 more sets of diffs, center and front or rear, all new. You can't beat that with a stick. Another fuel tank, excellent condition. Linkages, center brace. Another carbon fiber radio tray. some screws and miscellaneous plastic parts. So when we start bashing it, we don't need to be concerned about breaking an arm because we have a half dozen of them. Or breaking any parts, so you can really enjoy this knowing that you have lots of spares to keep you running. Now I've ordered servos, battery, switch, header, badlands. Let me see what else. Everything we're going to need to get moving, and as they come in, that's the second body. I'll show you what we got in, put it in, and at the end we'll get a grand total on what should be an extremely high quality buggy at a super cheap price. Just got to do your shopping. Facebook groups, eBay, hunt through, ask questions. To me, the best deal is the one that comes with a bunch of extra parts and the drivetrain isn't whooped on it. It's getting to be the time of year, the end of summer, beginning of winter, where these deals will be popping up everywhere, especially on one generation old kits. The MBX8 is the current one that most of the racers are using, and their MBX7Rs are their backup cars. So at this season, the end of this season, those 7s are going to be going up cheap because this year's 8 will become their backup car and they'll get the new generation or another 8. And that goes for any of the platforms, whether you're doing techno. Lozi's kind of a different deal right now, but associated and whatnot. But the Mugen's a great platform. I've always liked the pillow balls. I remember the day the MBX5 came out, I was at the hobby shop and got the first one. That was probably in 2000, maybe 99. So I've always liked Mugen. So when this deal came up, couldn't pass it up. So towards the end of this week, when I start getting parts in, I'll do some more videos. Then we'll go through break-in and then we'll bash it. See how it turned out. Again, if you guys have any questions, you can always email me. Or leave a message below and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, have a good day.